This tiny bird sings like sunshine. Meet the goldfinch, the cheerful garden bird with colors as bright as a summer festival. That red mask makes them look like tiny masked heroes. Their flight flashes with yellow, like streaks of sunlight. They're obsessed with thistles. Their beaks are built for it. A group of them is called a charm, and they really are. Their song? A constant stream of cheerful, tinkling notes. Goldfinches travel in small flocks, bouncing through the sky. Color, music, and pure joy. The goldfinch is nature's tiny burst of happiness. Subscribe now for more colorful and amazing birds from around the world.